Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how you can start and succeed in freelancing from Nepal. We're going to go deep on this one, people. No more dreaming about the freedom and flexibility of working from home, from a coffee shop, or from the majestic Himalayas. It's time to make it a reality. This is your step-by-step guide to building a thriving freelance career right here in Nepal. So grab your chai, find a comfy spot, and let's do this.
First things first, we gotta figure out what you're going to offer the world. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? What makes you forget to eat? Yeah, that thing. Freelancing is all about offering your skills to clients worldwide. Think about what you're naturally drawn to. Are you a wordsmith, spinning stories and crafting compelling content? Maybe you're a design ninja, turning ideas into stunning visuals. Or perhaps you're a coding guru, building websites and apps that blow people's minds. And hey, it's not all about tech. The world needs organizers, problem solvers, and virtual assistants too. There's a huge demand for skilled freelancers in areas like writing, graphic design, web development, digital marketing, programming, virtual assistants. The list goes on. And the beauty of it is, you can niche down and become an expert in something super specific. The more specialized your skill set, the more valuable you become in the freelance world.
Okay, so you've got skills, that's awesome. Now you need a way to prove it. This is where your portfolio comes in. Think of it like your highlight reel, showcasing your best work and proving to potential clients that you're the real deal. Now I know what you're thinking, but Arav, I'm just starting out. I don't have any real-world projects to show. Listen, we've all been there. Here's the secret sauce. Create your own projects. That's right, be your own client for a minute. Design a logo for a fictional company. Write blog posts on topics you're passionate about. Build a basic website for fun, whatever it takes to demonstrate your abilities. Put that work out there for the world to see. You can use platforms like Behance for designers, GitHub for developers, and Medium for writers to host your projects and build an online presence. Remember, your portfolio is a living, breathing thing. Keep adding to it, refining it, and making it better over time. It's a direct reflection of your skills and experience, so make it shine.
Now that you've got your skills and portfolio sorted, it's time to find some gigs. There are tons of freelancing platforms out there, each with its own vibe and target audience. It's like choosing your adventure, but instead of dragons and dungeons, you've got proposals and deadlines. You've got the heavy hitters like Upwork and Freelancer, which are great for finding a wide variety of projects. Then there's Fiverr, where you can offer pre-packaged services and let clients come to you. If you're a top-tier talent, check out TopTalk, which is invite-only and connects you with high-profile clients. And don't sleep on Guru, a platform known for its focus on professional services. The key here is to do your research and find the platforms that best align with your skills and goals. Browse through the available projects, check out the competition, and see where you feel most at home. Remember, you don't have to limit yourself to just one platform. Diversify your income streams and cast a wider net. All right, you found your platform. Now it's time to build your online shopfront, your freelancer profile. This is your chance to make a killer first impression and convince potential clients that you're the one they've been searching for. First things first, ditch the selfie with your cat. I know, Mr. Whiskers is adorable, but trust me on this one. Invest in a professional headshot that screams, "I'm competent and trustworthy." Next up, your profile title. This is prime real estate, people, so make it count. Use clear, concise language that highlights your skills and experience. And don't forget your profile overview. This is your elevator pitch, your chance to tell your story and connect with potential clients on a personal level. Showcase your personality, share your passions, and let them know why you're the best darn freelancer for the job. Finally, don't be shy about showcasing your previous work. Include links to your portfolio, testimonials from satisfied clients, and any relevant certifications or awards you've earned. Remember, your profile is your chance to shine, so make it count. Now for the fun part, actually finding and winning projects. This is where the real hustle comes in, my friends. It's time to put yourself out there, embrace the art of the pitch, and convince clients that you're the missing piece of their puzzle. First things first, read those job descriptions carefully, like really carefully. Clients are looking for someone who understands their needs and can deliver on their vision. When you find a project that piques your interest, it's time to craft a killer proposal. This is not the time for generic templates, people. Personalize each proposal to the specific project and client. Highlight your relevant skills, showcase your understanding of their requirements, and don't be afraid to inject a little personality into your writing. And then there's the pricing conundrum. It's a delicate dance between valuing your worth and staying competitive. Research industry standards, consider your experience level, and don't be afraid to negotiate fair rates. Remember, your time and skills are valuable, so don't undervalue yourself. Congratulations, you landed your first client. Pop the champagne, do a victory dance, you deserve it. But the work doesn't stop there. Building strong client relationships is crucial for building a sustainable freelance career. Communication is key, my friends. Keep your clients in the loop, respond to messages promptly, and be proactive in providing updates. And speaking of updates, always deliver high-quality work that exceeds expectations. Go the extra mile, over-deliver on value, and show them that you're invested in their success. Don't be afraid to ask for feedback either. It shows that you're committed to improvement and helps you tailor your services to their specific needs. And hey, when you knock it out of the park, and you will, don't be shy about asking for testimonials. Those glowing reviews are social proof gold, my friends. Remember, freelancing is all about building relationships. Nurture those connections, treat your clients like gold, and watch your freelance empire grow. Okay, let's talk about the money. Because let's be real, that's why we're all here, right? As freelancers, we're our own bosses, which means we're responsible for managing our own finances. No more waiting for that bi-weekly paycheck, my friends. It's all on us. First things first, track your income and expenses religiously. Use a spreadsheet, a budgeting app, whatever works for you. Just stay on top of your cash flow. And speaking of cash flow, let's talk about taxes. Freelancers, we've got to pay those pesky taxes too. Set aside a portion of your income for taxes throughout the year to avoid any nasty surprises come tax season. And finally, protect yourself by using secure payment platforms. We're talking PayPal, Stripe, the whole 9 yards. Don't ever share your personal banking information with clients, and always make sure you have a clear contract in place before starting any work. Here's the thing about the freelance world. It's constantly evolving. New technologies emerge, trends come and go, and clients' needs are always changing. That's why it's crucial to embrace continuous learning and stay ahead of the curve. Think of it like this. Your skills are your most valuable asset, right? So why not invest in them? Take online courses, attend webinars, read industry blogs, and connect with other freelancers in your field. There are tons of resources available, many of them free, that can help you level up your skills and stay at the top of your game. And hey, don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone and learn new things. The more versatile you are, the more valuable you become in the freelance marketplace. Embrace the ever-changing landscape of freelancing, and remember, the learning never stops. So those are the essential steps to kickstart your freelancing career in Nepal. It's a journey filled with challenges and rewards, but trust me, it's worth every step of the way. Remember, believe in yourself, stay persistent, and never stop learning. The world of freelancing awaits, my friends. Go out there and make it happen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions or additional tips to share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.